Trying to keep it going, keep staying busy on the 911. So today I want to pull the front bumper off, and we're gonna try to clean my front radiators, maybe pull my air condensers off, my AC condensers that is, pull them off and clean behind those, because I'd be surprised if it's ever been done. It's probably nasty and probably one of the reasons that the car starts to overheat after like an hour of drive time. Let's get that front bumper off and see how bad it is. First one's off. A handful of screws to take out. Let's get to the bottom of this one by removing these plugs. Alright, these are straight up surprises. I'm pulling these, there's something else up inside here. K40 wideband. Radar detector, K40. God, mother. Master move there, just trying to pull out a damn piece of plastic. Cut my dang finger open, just trying to pull this thing out. Run it right along that edge and slice. I don't need that. I don't need that no more. And this whole guy should just pop right off. Because I just gotta go for a ride and see if that made a difference. This is a lot of junk crammed up in there, so hopefully it does something. Let's go for a ride.